Today I'm going to show you how to do a Purl 2 together, also known as a p2tog, and it is a 1-stitch decrease. Normally when you do a purl stitch, you would go into the front of your loop on the left hand needle, wrap the yarn around, pull it through and drop the stitch off the needle. But because we're going to do a Purl 2 together, we're going to go into the first loop as well as the second stitch, wrap the yarn around, pull it through and drop both those stitches off the needle. Let me show you one more time. We're going to go into the first stitch on the left hand needle, into the second stitch, push the needle through both of those stitches, wrap the yarn around, pull it through and drop both those stitches off the needle. And that is how you do a Purl 2 together.